Welcome back to day 8 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge, and today is another tummy day. We are working on getting rid of that unwanted belly fat and toning our abdominal muscles as well as strengthening. Just continue marching in spot with me. We are warming up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for the workout. Very important to prevent injury. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. And today we are doing 3 minutes of the dead bug. So I hope you are energized, I hope you are hydrated, and we are going to be beginning straight away. So just get down onto your mat safely. You want to be getting down onto your back from your sides, and to do the dead bug you want to be bringing your legs at tabletop, and you want to raise up your hand, and this time we are going to reach out alternating hand, alternating foot, meaning you will reach out right hand, left foot, and bringing it back and continuing. And if you want it challenging, you can even lift your head off the ground, making sure that you're pulling in your abdominal muscles towards the spine and having a flat back. I will start my timer over here. So you want to reach out your hands and you will begin. Muscles to bring down your leg and back. Sometimes I forget and bring the other hand down as well, but one arm has to keep in position, just like I did about there. But just keep going, feeling that work in your abdominal muscles, guys. And there goes our alarm, guys. So you will just hug your knees and we are going to just relax and rest for 30 seconds. You can even rest for lesser, like 15, depending on how your body is doing, but you need some rest to catch your breath, and we shall be getting into the second minute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll just start my timer again over there and we shall begin. And back. Making sure that you are pulling in your abs towards the spine. You don't want them to be bulging out. This is actually a very good exercise for new moms as well, and any other moms out there that are looking to strengthen your abdominal muscles like me. So a high five, guys, and keep going, keep breathing, reaching out. It looks simple, guys, but actually my body is starting to get on fire right now, especially those abdominal muscles and the legs. Squeeze those abs and reach out and use them to bring back the leg. And there goes our alarm, guys. I will stop it right there and yet another pause or break. So just hug your legs and roll from side to side, squeezing them and feeling that gentle stretch as well, and relax your muscles. Breathe in, breathe out, and prepare for our last minute, guys. And you want to get into the next minute just about now. So pulling your abs towards the spine, that flat back, Raise your legs up and we shall begin just about now. Reach out and back, reach out and back, and back. Feeling those abdominal muscles working, guys. This is a very good exercise to strengthen those muscles. And back, and back. Keep going, guys. I really feel the burn. It feels and sounds simple, but it is working, guys. It's working on those muscles and I can feel it. And there goes the alarm, guys, and we've come to the end of this workout, but we have to do one more stretching, guys, to stretch out those muscles, and we are going to pull our arms towards the spine. You want to support your body with the mat, and you want to raise your leg, and you want to press your toes to make your toes face the ceiling, and then we are all going to be holding this for 30 seconds, feeling that stretch in your back, in your abs, trying to pull them towards the spine. Actually, this works on those abdominal muscles as well. You can even reach out your hands as well to maintain the pose, or you can hold onto your mat just like this and just keep stretching it out there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or even longer, guys. So you want to roll onto your body and you want to sit up and breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of today's workout, guys. I hope you feel amazing like I'm feeling. A high five if you've made it to the end. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me, like how are you guys feeling after all these previous days. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Invite them over to come and join us in this challenge. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can actually see the changes. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first.